While traveling through the airport, Ollie tightened the little scarf around Captain Roux's neck and breathed in the smell of travel. Warm coffee from the kiosks, rubber from the baggage carts, the bright electric hum of the departures board. He and his mother moved through the airport as if they were stepping into a different kind of city. "Keep Roux safe, okay?" his mother said. Ollie nodded. Ollie loved airplanes like some kids love bedtime stories. When he stepped off the moving walkway, he reached for Captain Roux, and his hand met only backpack. Roux was gone. A little bump had pushed him down the belt and into the narrow space between a seat and the rail. Roux? The name left his mouth small and thin. His chest tightened so fast he thought his breath might get left behind. The search began like a small adventure. Asha unfolded a terminal plan like a treasure map. "We'll be the airport adventurers," she said. They asked the adults they met, a gate agent, a janitor, a baggage handler. Ben came with a cart, a smile, and pockets full of small miracles. "It looked like he wanted to fly," Ben said, holding up Captain Roux. Ollie's feet left the floor for a tiny second. "Thank you," Ollie said to everyone who had helped. On the plane, Ollie pressed his nose to the window. "Airports are big," Ollie whispered, "but helpers make them feel small." Did you enjoy Ollie's adventure? Tap the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Florent Kids Hub for more adventures. Want more teamwork and wonder? Check out Floating City next.